Hey you guys, I'm going to be talking about the Infinity Pro by Conair. This particular blow dryer is the Natural Texture Styling System 600R. I have so many reasons as to why I love this particular blow dryer, but I'm going to start from the top and work my way down to the bottom. The reason why I love this diffuser is because most diffusers that I have used in the past have been flat and then just prongs standing on top of it. And so since it's so flat, my hair is actually cramped in one area and the air is not flowing out. It's actually just being trapped because I'm having a lot of hair in one area. And so I'm now having to go section by section by section, which is taking a very long time. With the Conair 600, the diffuser is really big. So in comparison to my head and in comparison to my hand, you can tell that the diffuser head is pretty big. It's nice because if I put my hair in the diffuser, it's evenly distributed, and this is one side of my hair that is fitting in this diffuser. Another thing that I like to see is that if there is a lot of holes, okay, in the diffuser, because that means air is going to flow out. If the blow dryer is very powerful, I'm going to feel it through the diffuser. And I like to preach this because all curly girls know, if you hear drying process cut in half, you're immediately sold. I know I was, and I know I am, okay? The good thing is that since my drying process is cut in half because the dome is really big, there's a lot of holes, I'm sold. I'm already sold. And I'm going to finish my hair and I'm going to show you the end result. So this is the final result. My hair is still a little bit wet, but I have to go out. I'm leaving soon. Get yourself an Infinity Pro. It's only $34 at Walmart.